And I'd like to welcome James Wright here today. And Jim is one of the trustee directors on the South Orange County Community College District. He's been a trustee with them for many years, and he also was a dean at one time and taught and have quite a background in education. Welcome back. It's great to have you here today.
Right. I also spent 27 years in the Air Force.
That's right, yeah.
And I taught at the Air Force Academy in Colorado Springs. So.
Oh, a great place.
Oh, right. I had 3 tours there. So.
Yeah. I remember visiting there in the 1980s, that beautiful cathedral. And
yes.
Yeah, very nice. So welcome. Great to have you here today.
Thank
you.
And
one of the things we're going to talk about is April is Community College Awareness Month. And
correct.
What a wonderful thing, because community colleges throughout California and really around the nation just offer so much stuff. It's incredible. Yeah.
You bet. We're very anxious about this. In fact, we've got 2 slides on the Community College Awareness Month. In fact, if we'll go to the next slide, you'll see April is Community College Awareness Month.
Yeah. And
locally, the following cities will join other communities in California to proclaim April as Community College Awareness Month: Irvine, Laguna Beach, Tustin, Newport Beach, Rancho Santa Margarita, Aliso Viejo, Mission Viejo, and finally the Orange County Board of Supervisors. And on the one picture that I have, you'll see, I don't know whether on.
Yeah, we got it up. We see.
We see there's president of the Irvine Valley College, Dr. Glenn Rockmore. There's our district director of government relations, Leticia Clark, and then former mayor of Irvine, Don Wagner.
Right, who was also a former trustee.
He's also a former.
Yeah, and now he's a supervisor.
He's a supervisor.
Yeah.
For the county. Good.
So very good.
Right.
And again, you know, we've talked about this before, how much community colleges offer, and it's such a great way to go for people to start out and maybe take a couple years there, then move on to university.
Right.
You save a lot of costs, or perhaps maybe you find that you want to go into more of a trade or nursing or something like that, and community colleges are just offer so much.
And we have a number of programs now. We have a program called College Promise.
Yeah.
That if you go, you've not been to school and take at least 12 credits or more, your tuition is paid for.
Yeah.
No fees.
Yeah. So can't beat that.
You can't.
Now our next slide, you're going to talk about Irvine Valley College's Courage to Remember. And this is a great presentation that they're doing up there.
On March the 11th, my wife and I attended the opening reception to welcome the Courage to Remember exhibit at IVC. The traveling exhibit hosted by the Museum of Tolerance provides an opportunity to remember and honor the victims of the Holocaust, an unparalleled crime against humanity. Irvine Valley College had that for I think the opening ceremony was on the 11th of March, and they had it from the 12th to the 14th of March. And it was just a good exhibit. The one thing I was really impressed with is at the opening reception, we heard from a Holocaust survivor. Her name was Bertie Labisky, and she really told us a story about her trying to live during that
quite
time.
stories. So, a great exhibit that they had up there, and if you didn't get to go, is it still going on? Or
no, it's not.
It
was just for that week, that week of March.
Okay, all right.
It was on.
Now, a fun event that is coming up is Saddleback College Night at Angel Stadium.
Right. We hope the community can join us, or join Saddleback College Night. It's going to be at Angel Stadium on Friday, April the 19th, for a matchup between the Angels and the Seattle Mariners. And you'll receive this exclusive and customized Saddleback College Angels baseball hat at the game. $4 from each ticket is going to go to the Saddleback College Foundation. Tickets are going to be $25.
Now, for these special tickets, do they need to buy them through the college or out at the stadium?
Well, at the stadium.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So that's you know, that's a great deal.
Yes, it is.
You guys can, you know, get a lot of funding from that. People get a cool hat and
You bet.
see a great game.
Yes.
Yeah, and
It's
they were
not too
just
far-
talking about on the news today some of the great food that Angel Stadium is having
Right,
this year.
Right.
That gets me out there. And one of the things that your campuses are known for are some of the great productions that the drama departments and the arts puts on.
That's right.
And coming up on April 5th, this Friday through April 14th at McKinney is going to be Into the Woods.
Right. This is everyone's favorite fairy tale. Characters go rogue in this fantastic musical adaptation. It's directed by Scott Farthing, and it should be a wonderful event.
Yeah. Well, I know if Scott's involved, it's going to be good.
Oh, it is.
I've talked to him many times, and
Ticket-
great guy.
Tickets are $15 for general admission, $12 for seniors.
Yeah,
And
that'll be
10
a lot of fun.
Right, it should be. And also IVC is having South Pacific going on right now.
That's right. Yeah, we mentioned that a while back. Yeah, very good. So that'll be fun. And then, of course, we always like to talk about the Great Emeritus
Oh,
Institute.
this is a wonderful, wonderful program. The schedules for Saddleback College and Irvine Valley College are now available. They're available online to register. You just simply go to saddleback.edu/emeritus or academics.ivc.edu/emeritus for IVC.
Yeah,
And you can see the courses that are offered. And
right.
it's
and,
a wonderful,
fantastic.
wonderful program.
And I guess we're coming up not too long from now when people will be looking at the summer session.
That's right.
Yeah.
Right.
So look at that. And, you know, a lot of good things going on. If you go to the main website, SOCCCD.edu, from there you can go to all the different campuses,
That's
all
right.
the different things that are going on. Or, you know, if you just want to go online and just, you know, search Saddleback College or IVC, whatever it is, it comes up. You can get information on the productions and the fun stuff there, and the Angels baseball, and enjoy all
And then
that.
we're also looking forward to graduation in May.
Yeah,
So that's
hard
always
to
a
believe.
wonderful event.
Always coming up.
Always
Yeah.
a great event.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Always good to see you. And you take care. And you gotta love a guy that wears a Mickey Mouse watch.
Okay.
All right. He's got a good one.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be back. Got mine too.
Yeah.